I'm the kind of guy who doesn't think before he speaks. Words come flowing before I can stop the leaks. You're the kind of girl who likes to roll her eyes at me. I find it hard to believe that we can make a good team. Yeah. I get this feeling morning to evening, and it won't leave me, no. I like the way your heart works, not cold like the others. I like the way my head turns when we're close to each
Happy
other.
birthday, Zia. Thank you for bringing so much happiness po sa family namin. Winish ko na maging malaki kang good girl and very smart in life.
Cause I like the way your heart works. I like the way your heart works. It's the kind of thing where I don't know what I should say. So used to wondering whether my feelings might change. I think I lost my voice, just screaming, run away. Feels like yesterday, yeah, nothing was the same. I get this feeling morning to evening.
Wish ko kay Zia, lumaki siya na may takot sa Diyos, syempre. Tsaka, yun nga, yung sabi ko kanina sa dedication na ang promise ko sa kanya, nandito lang kami parati ni Papa sa kanya. Tsaka, all throughout ng journey niya, i-make sure ko na nararamdaman mo yung love na deserve niya.
Happy birthday, Zia! We love you!
Happy birthday, Zia!
Happy birthday, Zia!
Wish ko po sa iyo, Zia, lumaki kang maging mabait, masunurin, at laging love si Mama at Papa. I love you always and I will take care of you as you grow. Love you.
Birthday, Zia. Thank you for bringing light to the family. Sobrang laki na pinagbago sa pamilya kasi may Zia na ikaw na sobrang cheerful. Sana maging talented kapag laki mo. Like girl, like us. Charas! Hindi mag-aral, like us.
Ang wish ko kay Zia ay sana lumaki ng mabait, masunurin na bata. I love you, Zia.
Cause I like the way your heart works. I like the way your heart works.
Ang wish ko naman sa kanya is syempre maging mabait na bata at magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos. Tapos laging maging good girl kahit wala si Papa, kahit laging nasa malayo.
Cause I like the way your heart works. I like the way your heart works.
Laging kang gagabayan ni Lord. Yun naman ang wish ko. And happy birthday ulit, anak. I love you.